Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this model episode, we will do review on iconic vintage model that was made during 80s in West Germany. It is BMW E28 by Gama. Gama produced different die-cast models of many German vehicles from 70s, 80s and 90s. Almost all these models have opening parts. During 90s, it was possible to buy Gama and Skabak models in Latvia, but they didn't become as iconic as Barago. Before review, we have to solve rear axle problems. Always repair your models on soft surface, to avoid scratches. Use only suitable tools and have a lot of patience and steadiness. To disassemble this model, you have to remove rear bumper in first place. Start from revealing bumper sides, and only then pull bumper out. I am using professionally bent nail and grandfather's multi-tool. Before filming, for an hour I was searching proper ways to disassemble this model. But much longer time it took to start this process. It looks like that rear axle wasn't installed properly. Repair is very simple. Using this moment, let's start our review from models inside. Old school car model design relied on part assembly without using superglue. That's why it's much easier to repair them. Assembly of this model is done in reverse order, also very simple. Despite lack of detail and sometimes visual quality, old generation models have their charm. Usually, quality of used materials are much higher than in modern ones. So, you can be sure that these era models will last for many decades to come. Quality and condition of metallic paint is gorgeous. Despite simple design of underneath, it has a great feature that shows real car variations and their technical parameters. It would be great if modern models at least had a paper insert with real vehicle parameters. Real scale BMW E28 is a really good car. Design of this car makes to respect its owner, because of an aristocratic look. Car's built quality and durability, makes it suitable for any situation. My grandfather was driving similar car for almost 20 years. He would use it further, but he unfortunately passed away in 2017. This is great relic, that represents real German quality. Also, this model reminds me grandfather, his BMW and linked events. Gama have produced different variations of this BMW, such as police, taxi, dealer service support and other emergency services. Hope that you liked this video. Leave a comment if your grandfather had a BMW E28.